Stop scrolling before this repair trap hits. Everyone assumes a gaming phone fix needs new parts or factory resets, yet the real shift flips that completely the second this strange POV interaction starts. Watch what happens when the cracked screen meets the exact pressure point no one expects. The first tap lands and the display flickers without a single new component. What changes next decides if the rig stays dead or boots in seconds. Most techs stop here thinking it's fried, but the next move reveals the actual fix. Why does that single angle work when every other press fails? Drop your guess below. The contrast hits hard because hype says replace the board, while reality shows one calibrated touch revives the whole unit. Numbers prove it. 87% of these gaming phones respond to this exact sequence instead of the 12% success rate from standard swaps. See the transformation when the interaction completes and the game loads without lag. That payoff timing turns a dead device into playable hardware in under 90 seconds. Does your phone show the same hidden trigger point? Comment the model and test it live.